days. We are working to connect you to job opportunities and resources of all kinds. By the year 2025, Indiana will have a deficit of more than 20,000 registered nurses. That's according to the Bureau of Health Workforce. RTV6's Nicole Griffin is talking to a local nurse working on the front lines of the pandemic and her mother, who is helping develop the nurses of the future.
She's followed in my footsteps to a degree, but then gone off on her own path, which I think is wonderful.
Mary Carney is the state director of nursing at WGU, Indiana. Before taking the position, she most recently worked in the pediatric critical care unit at Peyton Manning Children's Hospital. Her daughter, Sarah, is also a nurse.
I was in nursing school when she was born. I missed my nursing school pinning ceremony because I was in the hospital giving birth to her.
It started from when I was really young and I was helping to take care of my grandfather. He was the first one that told me that I would be a good nurse.
Sarah is working on her master's degree in nursing education at WGU while also working on the front lines of the pandemic at Ascension St. Vincent.
It's been stressful and you have to make time to do things that you enjoy, things that refill you so that you can go out and take care of other people.
There's a lot of nursing programs that meet the needs of the 18-year-old right out of high school, and plenty of programs for that. Our program works with older adults. My average student is 37 years old, has a full-time job, and is raising a family.
WGU Indiana is an online university which also targets students living in rural areas that are underserved by higher education. Carney says it's critical for the future of healthcare in our state to get students enrolled in the nursing program.
The average nurse in Indiana is almost 50 years old, statistically average. We're looking at a wave of retirements.
She says as experienced nurses continue to retire, there are not enough new graduates taking their place. Working for you, Nicole Griffin, RTV6.
Well, information on how to apply is on the WGU Indiana website. During the pandemic, the director of nursing at WGU says not a lot has changed as students already take classes remotely. In the pre-licensing nursing program, they did have to remove students from clinicals for their own safety and to preserve PPE.